Hello everyone, good evening. This is our project Marlin Rise, and you can see this is the actual experience center of our project. And let me show you the model flats 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So you will be covering these model flats 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So you can see this is the actual site office of our project. So now we are coming inside the model flat of 3 BHK, which is approximately 1200 square feet. So let me show you the model flat. So come inside. So this is the entry. So on entry you can see this is the living cum dining area, lavishly designed. This is the dining space, and see the space. It's a beautiful space. So on entry, just on my left hand side, you can see this is the kitchen space. So it's a beautiful kitchen space along with a big window, and this is L patterned countertop with black granite, and the chimney hubs, all the fittings is just to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment. You will be delivered a vacant flat with this kind of tile specifications, and the modular switches will be same whatever you are seeing right now. This is the basin space. This is the tile selection, excellent tile selection. And now come this side again. So from this side you can see this is the living cum dining area. This is the TV unit space. You can decorate your TV unit. This is the drawing space, and with this drawing cum dining you will be having your balcony space like this one. The balcony space is approximately 6 feet by 5 feet, almost a square type balcony. And now come, this is the lobby space. So on my left hand side, this is the first bedroom. The space of this bedroom is approximately 10 feet by 11 feet with a big French style window. Now come this side, just opposite to the first bedroom. This is the second bedroom. So see, this is the second bedroom space. And the space of this bedroom is again 11.5 into 11 feet. It's a square size bedroom with a big wardrobe space like this one, and a TV unit space. And again come this side. So again beside that, this is the master bedroom space. So as you can see, this is the master bedroom space. And this master bedroom is having a size of another 12 feet by 11.5, almost a square size master bedroom with a big wardrobe space like this one. And this master bedroom is having attached toilet on that side. So this is the attached toilet space. The space of the attached toilet is approximately 8 feet by 5 feet. So you can see the space of attached toilet. So again see, this is the bedroom space. So from this side you can see the bedroom space. And just beside this third bedroom or master bedroom, there will be another toilet which is common toilet. The size of this common toilet is approximately 7 feet by 4.5 feet with a beautiful finish with wall mount commodes, separate shower space and with proper exhaust points. So let me explain you. This is bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 3. This is the common toilet space. And this side, this is bedroom number 1. So 3 bedroom with 2 toilets with a lobby space of having 16 feet by 3.5 feet long lobby space. And this living cum dining space is about 20 feet long by 12 feet in breadth. It's a huge living cum dining space. And with this living cum dining, you will be having the kitchen space. So again, this is the kitchen space, and the kitchen space is around 8 feet by 5 feet, a standard size kitchen space. So hope you enjoy this video. So if you are interested about this property in Marlin Rise, then please call us. Feel free to ask anything, whatever you are having doubts. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.